Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually very easily turn on your PS4. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So you can see that my TV and my PS4 are right over here, and assuming that you have already placed all of the wires in place, and if you don't know how to actually set up those wires, we can simply watch our other video. In this video, I'm simply going to show you how you can turn on. The very first thing you want to make sure is that your TV screen is actually turned on. So hit the power button either on your remote, which you see, or you can simply also hit the power button on your TV screen as well. Once you've actually made sure that your TV is actually turned on, now the next thing we want to do is from your PS4 right over here, you can see our PS4 on this screen. You can see our TV has turned on, but then we want to turn on our PS4. What you have to do is you simply have to press this power button on the very left hand side of the PlayStation. So you can see this long power button, you can simply press it once. As soon as you hear the sound, you can simply leave it at that, and you can see it is going to take some time to actually load our PS4. So you have to be patient and actually wait. So you can see our PlayStation has actually turned on. Now, if you don't want to repeat the same process any other time, I will also simply show you another way on how you can actually turn on your PS4. So for that, let this PS4 to be turned on, and I will turn it off again, and I will simply show you guys. So let me just go ahead and actually turn off my PlayStation again, and I will simply show you how you can actually turn it back on again without having to press the power button on your PS4 again and over again. So after you actually turn off, and then what you want to do is, again, after you make sure that your TV is turned on, if you have already paired your controller before, as you can see in my case, if you have already paired your controller before, you have to simply press this PlayStation button at the very middle option. You can see this button which says PS in this PlayStation icon as well. You simply have to press this button if it is already paired to your PlayStation. So press this once, and then after you hear the sound, your PlayStation or your PS4 is actually going to be turned on again automatically. You don't have to go over to your PS4 and then press the power button again and again. And this is how you can actually turn on your PS4. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.